Hello guys, today I will be talking about how to earn money online by listening to music and review. Yes, you can take more money by review the music, but the first step is do not forget to subscribe my channel YouTube, and let's get so find the link below this video. Just click in the link and watch this my website. You can write all this, or you can reading all this. I'm so sorry. And the link of website, this playlist push. Get by to review song. We pay you listen and review the song. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding into one of your playlists. To qualifies creator, you need to one of playlist with us last 400 follow on either Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music, and by review, depending on your request and engagement, you can earn up to 12 per song. Yes, you can earn money just in one music get or take $12. That's it's very simple. Just register in this website and work in this website, and I see you later in next video. Bye.